Dear students, welcome to our channel Online Class with Hema. In this video, we are going to see Class 6 Unit 1 Grammar Subject and Predicate English Assignment Answer Sheet. So this is set number 2 for Class 6. So now we are going to see for first subdivision, write the subject of each sentence. So first question, my ambition is to become a singer. So we have to write the subject from this sentence. So the subject from this sentence is my. My is the subject of this sentence. Next, second one, the dog is hungry. The subject is the dog. Third one, the mouse stole the cheese. The subject is the mouse. Next, fourth one, Praveen played football. The subject in this sentence is Praveen. Next, fifth question, the cheetah runs so fast. The subject in this sentence is the cheetah. So first subdivision we have completed. Now going to second subdivision, write the predicate of each sentence. So first question, Maya has a pink dress. The predicate, we have to write the predicate from this sentence. So the predicate is as a pink dress because Maya is subject. So the answer, the as a pink dress is the predicate. It describes the subject, what the subject as. So as a pink dress, as a pink dress is the predicate of the sentence. Next, the lion lives in the den. In this, the predicate is lives in the den. It says that where the lion lives. So the lion is the subject and then lives in the den is the predicate. So lives in the den. Next, blue is my favorite color. So blue is the subject and is my favorite color. What you are saying about the blue, about blue, what we are saying. So is my favorite color. It is the predicate of the sentence. Next, fourth question, the fish swim in the ocean. So the fish is the subject. The predicate says where the fish swim. So it swim in the ocean. Swim in the ocean is the predicate. Next, our family went on vacation. So went on vacation is a predicate. It says our family is the subject. Where the family has gone, where the family has went. So went on vacation. So we have completed second subdivision. Write the predicate of each sentence. And next, unit 1 grammar subject and predicate worksheet number 2. So match each subject with the correct predicate. Match each subject with the correct predicate. So subject they have given, predicate they have given. Subject is about the thing, animal, person, place, color. It describes about everything. And predicate says that what is the thing, where is the thing. What you are saying about the subject is the predicate. So we are going to match this. So our book, what it matches. So our book is interesting. Okay, interesting. Our book is interesting. Is interesting is the predicate. Our book is the subject. So for our book is interesting. And then second one, rabbits. For rabbits the answer is are fond of carrot. Fond of eating carrot. What does the rabbit do? Are fond of eating carrot. Next, third one, my son. My son, what my son so loves ice cream. So for my son loves ice cream, this is the answer. Next, the dog. The dog is what the answer comes, barks at the cat. What does the dog do? Predicate, barks at the cat. My favorite animal. My favorite animal is cat is a predicate. Is cat is a predicate for my favorite animal. Next, the car. Next, sixth one, the car. What happened to my car is broken. Okay, so this is the answer is broken. Next, the fox. Seventh one, the fox. The answer is a very cunning animal. What you are describing about the fox is this is a cunning animal. Next, peacock. Peacock answer is our national bird. Next, grandma. Grandma always tells stories. Next, Priya is my friend. Okay, so we are going to see the answers number 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 1, 4, 2, 10, 7. So this is the match the following answers for worksheet number 2. Next, class 6 unit 1 grammar subject and predicate again worksheet number 3. So we have to write a suitable sentence for the pictures given below. So they have given the pictures, we have to separate by subject and predicate with a suitable sentence. Okay, so first, what does this picture say? The policeman is standing. So why this dash came is that we are separating subject and predicate. So the policeman is the subject, is standing is the predicate. Next, the man is pushing the car. The man is the subject and is pushing the car. What does the man do? So is pushing the car. So it is the predicate. The man is subject. Next, third one, the umbrella is big. The umbrella is the subject and how the umbrella is big. So it is the predicate. The umbrella is big. Next, fourth one, this color umbrella is nice. So this color umbrella is the subject. How is the colored umbrella? So it is very nice. So is nice is the predicate. Next one, the boy is dancing. What does this boy do? Boy is the subject. What does this boy do in this picture? So the answer is dancing. Is dancing. So is dancing is the predicate. Next, in this picture, what does the boy do? The boy is reading. The boy is the subject. What he is doing in this picture is reading. So it is the predicate. Next, seventh question, the bird is playing. What does this bird do? This bird doing. This bird is playing. So the bird is subject, is playing is the predicate. And then here, the birds are feeding the chicks. The birds is the subject. What does this bird do in this picture? They are feeding the chicks. So the birds are feeding the chicks. Next, the dog is running fast. So the dog in this picture, what does this dog do? Is running fast. So the dog is the subject, is running fast is the predicate. In this picture, the thief is running with a bag. The thief is the subject and is running with a bag is the predicate. What does this thief do in this picture? Thief do in this picture. So is running with the bag. So we have completed worksheet number 3. And we are going to worksheet max assignment answers in this video itself. So worksheet standard 6 topics algebra subject max mark 10. So we are going to see max also in this. So first subdivision, fill in the blanks. So first one, fill the series 5, 8, 11, 14, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, 23. How does this come? So if we are adding plus 3 with 5, we get 8. if you are adding plus 3 with 8, we get 11. If you are adding plus 3 with 11, we get 14, plus 3 17, plus 3 20, 20 plus 3 23. We got the answer. Second one, find the unknown. 37 plus 43 is equal to 43 plus box. So 37 plus 43 is equal to the number which comes here, it also comes here. So 43, 43, 37, 37. So 37 is the answer. Next, third question. If x minus 6 is equal to 4, then x is. So the answer is 10. See, they have given x minus 6 is equal to 4. And then what we can do? We can keep this x here. And we can bring this minus 6 to this side. So minus 6 after equation it becomes plus 6. So 4 plus 6, x is equal to 10. This is the answer. We got it. Okay. So we got the answer. X is equal to 10. Next, the product of q and 20 is. They are asking the product. Product is multiplication. So the product of q and 20 is 20q. 20 into q, 20q. Next, fifth question. Constant means. Constant means the answer is unchanged value. Constant is constant. It's a single number. It does not change. So we can write it as unchanged value. So now second subdivision, choose the correct answer. For this answer is 4, 5, 1, 3, 2. Okay, 4, 5, 1, 3, 2 is the answer in this. Choose the correct answer. Match the following. Now we are going to see, we have completed worksheet. Now we are going to see assignment answers. So standard 6, topic algebra, subject maths. So first question, they have given E like structure. In this one E, single E, next double E, next triple E. Then what they are asking, draw the next 3 patterns and complete the table. We have to draw next 3 patterns and we have to complete this table. So 1 here, 2 in this. For second subdivision 2, for third subdivision 3, and for fourth subdivision it is 4, and fifth we have to find next 3 patterns. So next 3 patterns is 4, 5, 6 is the next 3 patterns, right? So next 3 patterns they are asking. 1, 2, 3 we saw in this 4, 5, 6. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 are there. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 are there. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have completed the next 3 patterns. So copy it down. This is the next 3 patterns. So we saw next 3 patterns, right? So 4, 5, 6, and then we have to complete this table. They have given 5 by 1 into 5, 10 by 2 into 5. Next here 15, 20, 25, 30. Write this in the first column, 15, 20, 25, 30. Next 3 into 5. Okay, 3 into 5. Next 4 into 5, 5 into 5, 6 into 5. So we have completed the tabular column. Next, second one, increase, reduce, divided, product less times x, y, z, 3, 5, 7, 10, plus, minus, multiplication, division. From any form any 5 algebraic statement and verbal statement by using the above words, numbers and symbols. What they have asked. So they have given this options. So we have to form any 5 algebraic statement or verbal statement. So algebraic statement and verbal statement. Algebraic statement also we have to find, and then about that verbal statement also we have to find. So first one, x plus 5. So this is the algebraic statement, x plus 5. The verbal statement is sum of x and 5. Sum, it is they have given a plus symbol, right? So sum of x and 5. Next, second one, 3y plus 10 is 3 times y is increased by 10. So 3 multiplication product here, 3y plus addition and then plus 10, right? So 3 times y is increased by 10. Next, third one, 7z minus 3. So 3 less 2. So 3 we are lessing it from 7z. So 3 less 2, 7 times z. Sorry, z, okay. 7 times z. Next, fourth one, they have asked you have to form any 5. So we have to form 5 algebraic statement and verbal statement. So 10x divided by 5 gives product of 10 and x divided by 2. So we have to divide by 2. Sorry, they have not given 2 itself, 5 only. 5. Here I have written wrongly. So 5. Don't write it wrongly. 5. Okay. So whether it's clear. Okay. 10 is the x divided by 5 gives product of 10 and x divided by 5. Next, fifth one, last one, z by 7 gives z divided by 7. So we have completed maths assignment papers. Next, we are going to see science assignment paper. So choose the correct answer. This is set 2 assignment paper. So choose the correct answer. First question, kicking a bus is an example for. The correct answer is contact force. Next, second one, a change in the position of an object with time t is. The correct answer is B, motion. Change in the position of an object with time. Change in the position. So motion. Third one, if an object covers uniform distance in uniform intervals, then the motion of the object is called uniform motion. Next, unit of speed is, the speed of unit is meter per second. Next, part D, name of different types of motion based on path. So we have to write the different types of motion based on path. So I have written here. So see, different types of motion based on path. Pathwise, what are the different types of motion? Linear motion, curved linear motion, circular motion, rotatory motion, oscillatory motion, zigzag motion. So different types of motion: linear, curved linear, circular, rotatory, oscillatory, zigzag motion. These are the different types of motion based on path. This is the answer for fifth question. For sixth question, what they are asking, give 2 examples for rotatory motion. So we have to give 2 examples for this rotatory motion. So 2 examples for rotating motion are rotating fan, rotating top. So the fan rotates and the top also rotates, right? So rotating fan, rotating top. We have completed. Seventh question, define force. They have asked define force. So force answer. Forces are push or pull by an animate or inanimate agency. So this is the answer for force definition. Force are push or pull by an animate or inanimate agency. Next, assignment answer. So it's your own activity. collect pictures. You have to collect pictures from for different kinds of motion and prepare an album. So for different kinds of motion you have to collect pictures and prepare an album. That's it. So this is the own activity for you. You have to collect pictures. So we have completed standard 6 English, Maths, Science in this video. If you are seeing this channel for first time, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.